Hey everyone, this is Beaulieu, and I wanted to shoot a quick but vital testimonial for my good friend, coach, and mentor, Alex Neem. Now I want you to pay attention to this. This isn't just a random token throwaway testimonial. This is a serious life-changing event. My background real quick, I've had a 35-year career in the corporate Fortune 500 world, high-tech finance, a 5-year Army career as an officer in the Army. And for a long time, I've been trying to break away from that and start a career on my own as my own man, as my own, managing my own company, being my own boss and call my own shots. And it's a big challenge to get from a mindset and the job security and the lifestyle of living, with a guaranteed paycheck, versus going to something where you're relied on your own performance. Even though that's something I've always wanted to do, it's been a challenge. And I can't say enough about Alex, who, in the short time I've known him, is going to enable me. I'm on the road to replace my complete income with from my current salary, which I have one more week to go, and then I'll be full-time working on my own. And I'm ecstatic about it, and I want to get the word out why you should consider Alex Neem. First of all, Alex, obviously, he knows what he's doing, and he knows a lot of stuff about a lot of things about a lot of stuff, and but he's careful not to overwhelm you with his vast knowledge. But one of the things I like about him, he doesn't have a cookie-cutter approach. He applies the various things that he knows to meet your situation, your business model, and brings out the best in you. He's not just following some token path of step by step. He adapts to your situation. Second of all, he is connected to everybody in the world. It's unbelievable. He has connections in every industry, and which opens the doors for you as his client or as his mentee. He is glad to introduce you to any of his his current contacts, former clients. He's got a massive Rolodex, and for some reason, if he doesn't know how to do something, or if he knows somebody who can do it better, he's got somebody else he can call and help you out. The third thing is that a lot of his former clients are now business partners. So that says something about the kind of quality that he of his coaching, is that he gets to people to a level where he wants to work with them. So it just kind of feeds on itself as a rewarding and successful relationship. But most important, which I don't even think, this is something that I don't know if Alex recognizes this, or maybe he does but doesn't talk about it. But one of his biggest strengths is he applies the psychology of the situation, of the psychology of the client or of the prospect or the whoever you're trying to sell to or have a relationship with. He incorporates how the client feels and the timing of the situation better than anyone I've ever seen. He articulates it very well. Like in this situation, you wouldn't want to go with that, you want to go with this. There's a lot of ways to skin the cat, and Alex has a toolbox and the psychology to know which of his solutions work given which situation and given your personality. I don't know if I've never verbalized this before, but I don't know if he has thought about it. Maybe he does. I don't know if he's a psychology major, but the thing I want to say is that don't let his soft-spoken nature hide the fact that this guy is a friggin' genius. So I'm looking forward to a lifetime relationship with him, not just as a client, but as a longtime business partner, because I really want to work with this guy. I want to know him. I just feel like I'm more successful hanging around him. And I want to repeat what I said earlier. I'm on the way to replicating my annual salary from my longtime corporate gig, thanks to working with Alex Neem. And if you're serious, if you're not serious, turn this video off. But if you're serious and you need some help, and even if you don't think you need help, it's worth giving him a call and just see if you have a good match. I don't think he's going to take every client. He's not going to take everybody. But if you have a good match, I urge you to jump on it. So this is Beaulieu. If you want to reach out to me separately from this video, I'd be glad to tell you more about Alex and all the cool things he's done. And again, I look forward to a long relationship with him, and I want to thank him for changing my life.